Hi guys, how are you? In this video I will tell you how to remove FRP's this mobile F20. You can see here setup as new. You can see here checking info. I am going to checking FRP about verify your account. You can see here, but I don't remember this Gmail. So now you have to remove this FRP and go back last in there and open backside. You can see here. So guys, you have to insert the same. You can see here in this mobile is F20 model. You can see here, and now you have to connect any SIM in this mobile. After that you have to click emergency call and emergency information. Use two finger. You can see here. After you have to click on pencil and go in add contact any, click on and click any contact, click on three dot, share it. After you can see here Gmail and message, hold message and app info. You can see here and scroll down. You can see here yes app. After that open links. You can see here and scroll down and last YouTube. Click on YouTube and click on icon. You can see here. After that is app notification. You can see here app notification and scroll down additional settings. So guys, here you can see here YouTube about and scroll down YouTube about and click on YouTube terms of service. You can see here Chrome browser is open now and accept and continue. No thanks, next. So now you have to search the link. You can see here in description for frpfile.com and put link in this website frpfile.com/bypass. After click on go. So this website is open now, and now you have to download Google Account Manager 8 version. You can see here continue it and allow. Okay, after that you have to download bypass FRP APK. You can see here 1.0 APK. Click on OK. After that click on three dot. You can see here and click download buttons. You here two applications are download. You can see here and install Google Account Manager. After that Google Account Manager install and click on done. You can see here installing now. Click on done. After that you have to install bypass FRP. Install it, open, and then guys click on three dot, browse sign in. Okay, now you have to input your Gmail. You have to create any Gmail. You have to input in this tab. When you input your Gmail, then click next and input password and sign in. And Gmail is signed in now, completed, and you have to start your mobile. Do it. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest video. So now mobile is reboot now completed. You can see here interface, and now you have to click on start button. You can see here just a second, it's working now. Checking for update and account added. You can see here setup as new. Just a second, account added, next, getting account info. Guys, if you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. Click on not now and escape anyway. You can see her in this mobile and click more. I agree. You can see her button, no thanks, finish. this mobile FRP is removed. Now you can see here. So now I'm going to next videos. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. Bye, be back later, see you.